What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the cabin air filter in a 2015 Toyota Prius. Like I said, it's a 15 Prius in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these cabin air filters if you're in need. So the cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. On the right-hand side, we're going to see this dampening latch right here. We're going to get that off by pulling it straight to the right, like that. Once that's off, we're going to remove the glove box by pushing in on either side. There's two stops. I like to start with the right side. It'll come down a little bit, come over here, and I'm just kind of pushing in towards the center of the glove box. And then it'll come off, and it'll come all the way off the hinges like that. Once we get to that point, we'll take a closer look in here. So this white item here that says up on it, this is the access door to the cabin filter. And there's this tab on the right hand side that you need to push in, and then that'll pull off like that. And now we see our cabin air filter right here. And I actually don't have this filter. I'm going to have to come back to it. But one thing I want to go over is when you put your new filter in, you want the airflow going down. However, it's really just going to depend on your replacement filter what that looks like. If it says airflow, you want your airflow arrow going down. If it just has an arrow but doesn't say airflow, it just looks like this, then you want your arrow going up. Again, really just going to come down to your filter. If it just has an arrow or says arrow and up, you want the arrow going up. If you have an arrow and it says airflow, you want your airflow going down. Once you have your new filter in there, we'll reverse everything we just did to close it up. Start the left side in first. Start that little tab in. And then the right side will clip on. And then we'll grab our glove box. And we need to line these notches here up with these right here. So just line those up, line those up. And then just push your glove box up till those stops go past and catch. And then finally we need to come back down here and push that on for the dampening latch. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.